So I'm here at the First Choice Community Center in Columbia. We're gonna go inside and cook up some healthy recipes that taste great. Come on. Hey everyone, my name is Marcus Lattimore and I'm here with Brooke Brittain, a registered dietitian with DHEC SNAP program. And it looks like we got some Hispanic ingredients today.
We do, Marcus. We are doing confetti bean salsa. So one of those quick, easy, healthy snacks that we do with our kids. When we do our SNAP Ed classes for DHEC, we go to schools and churches and libraries and reach a lot of different children, and this is definitely one of the go-to snacks that the kids always love. Again, we're trying to base it around that My Plate, trying to hit all those different food groups, as many as we possibly can when we're doing a snacks. So what I'm gonna have you do, we got our first two ingredients. So who would we like to have help? Want to slide on in? You're gonna help us out?
Let's do it.
So go ahead and dump in your corn and your black beans. Again, those lower sodium options, we drained and rinsed them ahead of time. And then over here off to the side, everybody see the salsa. So I love salsa. We use that, of course, with a lot of Hispanic dishes, whether we're making tacos and quesadillas and different types of items. So that is a jar. Go ahead and dump that in for me too. So that is a jar of salsa. So it didn't have to be anything expensive. We just did a regular store brand. And again, those cans too came store brand. So great job. You want to grab that spoon for me? I'm gonna have you mix it up real quick. So you got some different colors, right? We got some red, we got some yellow, we got that black for the black beans. So we got a lot of great color. That looks great. Thank you so much for your help. What do you think? Simple, right? So far we're just dumping some things into a bowl. So now next up, Marcus, we got to add some flavor, right? We got to get some seasoning to it. So I would love to have somebody else help again if somebody wants to help do our seasonings for us. All right, come on over. All right, I'll give you our spoon. So the first thing, we're gonna add just a little bit of that, so scoop a little bit. This is black pepper. So again, this is Brooke's salt. Since we don't use salt in anything, we love putting black pepper in everything that we do. This one is chili powder. So it can really produce some heat, right, Marcus? So a little bit can go a long way. So that's good on that. We don't wanna make it too spicy. And the next one, your mystery ingredient, this is cumin. So this is what makes your tacos taste like tacos. So if you guys like any Hispanic food, tacos, quesadillas, fajitas, that is a great ingredient to have at the house. Adds a lot of good flavor. All right, your next two, we got garlic powder. So again, we're really worried about salt and not trying to get too much, so we try to grab, if it gives you an option and you see garlic salt, onion salt, celery salt, you guys make sure grab the powder. Make sure it says garlic powder, onion powder. That way we're not getting that extra salt and you're still getting that great flavor that we really want. So that's your garlic powder, that one's your onion powder. Looking good. How's that smell? You guys smell that already? All those herbs and spices? Smells delicious, doesn't it? And your last one, paprika. Marcus, we're down south. What do we love to put paprika on?
You know it, deviled eggs.
Deviled eggs and potato salad, right? Gives it a good pop of color and also adds some good flavor too.
The presentation just makes it.
It does. It's all that color, all that flavor. And one more thing, a little bit of lime juice. I'm gonna have you dump that in too.
Brooke, what do you think the lime juice adds to the flavor of this dish?
It does. Just, anytime you add a lime or lemon, just gonna add that little bit of that acid too, but just some great flavor. All right, thank you so much for your help. I appreciate it. You did a great job with that. All right, Marcus, let's get some stirring. I have to stir that up for me, man. So how's that look? Everybody think it looks great? Looks good? All right, Marcus, let's put some into that bowl right there in front of you. Work on our little presentation. That looks fantastic. It smells really good. You can smell those herbs and spices that we put into it.
Thank you so much, Brooke. This looks so good.
That does look great, Marcus. Kids did a great job with this. Oh, best part. Who wants to try it now? Somebody want to taste it?
Taste time.
All right, come on. Give it a taste. See what you think.
Jealous.
We'll save some for you, Marcus. Don't worry. Good crunch to it. That was good? Thumbs up on that? All right, awesome. Thanks for trying.
Well, there you have it. And eating right is an important part of being first choice fit. So thank you, Brooke, for being here today.
You're welcome. Thanks for having us.